Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. This is Salwaa of Cape Malay Cooking and Other Delights. Today I'm going to share with you a quick and easy self-crust milk tart. So you're going to use your store-covered ingredients for this quick and easy milk tart. It's suitable for the cold winter's evening cravings. And as I said, you'll have a dessert in next to no time, less than an hour. So what I'm going to use is 3/4 cup self-raising flour. So that's a 1/2 cup. And this is a 1/4 cup. I'm going to use 1/2 cup of sugar. Just quickly give it a stir. Quarter teaspoon salt. Make a well in the center, and then you're gonna add 3 eggs. Teaspoon vanilla essence. About a tablespoon soft butter. Two cups of milk. So you can use full cream milk or 2% milk. I'm using 2% milk. So we're just going to whisk all of these together. I've whisked this mixture for about 2 minutes. You can see it's a fairly runny texture. All the ingredients are combined. And now I'm going to pour it into my grease-proof Pyrex. You can easily double this recipe if you're serving more people, but this is sufficient for 4 people. So I'm using a small Pyrex, but obviously if you're going to do a double mixture, you're going to use a bigger Pyrex. This is about 1 liter to 1.5 liter size Pyrex. I've just poured it in and this is what it looks like. So it's going to bake for about 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. So here's the milk tart baked. See, it's risen quite high. And in fact this milk tart baked for about 30 minutes. I'm just going to sprinkle some cinnamon over. So the cinnamon you can sprinkle over before you bake it or afterwards, as I'm doing here, just a teaspoon. And now it's ready to be enjoyed. And there you have it, less than an hour, delicious self-crust milk tart. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Facebook or Instagram, or my website www.capemalaycookingdelights.com to get up-to-date notifications of new developments and recipes here at Cape Malay Cooking. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.